So, you want to know how to convert your Word document into a PDF? Well, I'll show you how to do it in this video. I've got my Word document open. I've opened up a document which it's just random text in here. It says important document, introduction, lots of random text. Don't try and read it. Okay though, I want to convert this though into a PDF. There's two ways of doing it. I'll show you both ways. First off, you can go to File at the top left. You can go to Export and then choose Create PDF. You'll now come up, you choose where you want to save it. I'm just going to save in the Documents folder. It's called Important Document, we'll leave it as that. And the save type here is PDF. And then I'll publish this. Now it's automatically launching, and that is it. That is my PDF, it is saved. And that is the file. And I'll show you where that's saved later. Same again though, I'm going to do it again. I'm going to show you another way of doing it. Again, start off by going to File, then go to Save As. Choose where you want to save it. I'm going to go to my desktop, I'll save it there, but you can save it anywhere you want. Go to Desktop. Now normally it's going to save it as a Word document. That's the default to save, and which is, that's how you save Word documents. But I'm going to change it to PDF. So I've gone to Save As type, I'm choosing PDF. There we go, there's the name of it. I'm going to give it a different number. There you go, Important Document 1, just so I can distinguish it. And then I'm going to go to Save. And there you go, once again it has saved it. That is how you create the PDFs. Now I'm just going to show you where they were actually saved, or what the files look like. So I'm just going to open up the appropriate location, and here we have it. Okay, so you have this important document, it is a PDF. I can see that by the symbol there. And the same here, important document 1, that's the second one that I saved. Again, it's a PDF document, so you can see that it's worked. And if I launch either of them, they'll open up, and that is a PDF now. If it had any images in it or anything like that, then they'll be saved as well. It will be laid out exactly how it was as a Word document. And there you have it. That is how you convert your Word document into a PDF. Pretty easy, I think you'll find. Anyway, if you can like the video and subscribe to my channel, that'd be fantastic. Any comments, leave them down below. And if you've got any questions as well, leave them down there. I'll try and answer them. Anyway, happy converting of Word documents into PDFs now.